Alright, chat. Hope you guys have had amazing week so far. So let's start off the day. Let me set up everything real quick. Alright. So everything is up running, I'm assuming, yeah. Cool. Where's my camera? Sorry chat for like snuffing throughout the stream because I got really bad hay fever. But with that being said, let me just do a 1 hour analysis, shall we? Hopefully you guys have had an amazing week so far, man. Yesterday we had a really late push, but I came off before the moves, but we pushed really late, like 5 o'clock, before we start to range for the rest of the days. Anyway, so on the monthly, like we have always been saying, right, monthly, you're still hovering this range, you're not broke out at all. You have 10 days left on the monthly. There's two things could happen. That this monthly could close bearish for all I know, or you're gonna come up and re-break the high and follow the wick. Now, unless you have a really significant folder that gonna give price some volume to push, that's the two scenarios I'm assuming that price is gonna do: come up, come down, re-break the low and actually close bearish, or come up and follow the wick on the monthly. Assuming depends on how you're gonna close in 10 days here on the monthly. So I'm assuming that's what you would do, but overall you're still stuck in this range here between the flip on the monthly. You're not really doing anything much. So let's me drop down to the weekly. So the weekly is where it's getting interesting. Weekly has no top wick overall. You still got 3 days left on the monthly. If you do drive down though, then that means that is a lower high on the weekly, but you don't want to see where is the whether the weekly is gonna flip or not, because if it flips it will tell you. However, you are coming down with no top wick here. I'm assuming that there is a possibility that you could come up for a top wick before you do anything. So you found a resistance right here. If you come down and unblock this, so I'm assuming you coming down to find a new support, right? And if that is the case, then I'm assuming that is a monthly re-break the low, and you are going to go to close bearish overall on the monthly. So let's drop that onto the daily. So daily is where it's getting really interesting, right? Daily, you actually close back inside this range right here, which is very interesting, because like overall you have no top wick on the previous daily, and you have a huge wick to fill on the daily. So I'm assuming that if you're coming down, you will minimum for the rest of the wick. You close back inside the range. So I'm assuming that if you'd actually drive, and this is a fake out on the daily, then that's continuation. You'll come all the way down to set to 300, or minimum the wick fill on the daily. So if that being said, can we take advantage? That bear in mind that the previous daily no top wick, so you could potentially grab liquidity, which means that create a top wick on before you're driving down like this. So if you do that, then just be aware that there is a possibility for you to create a steeper top wick before you drive down for the rest of the wick on a daily. So let me drop that onto the 4 hours. So 4 hours actually very interesting. 4 hours close bearish, right? You're coming down and forward the wick so far. Into the day, you have a support resistance right here. So you do have range to come down here that I can see. You have range coming down and fill the rest of the range here. So so that is overall, I'm assuming that you should be able to fill the rest of the range here, and that is where the daily actually flip, right? So if the daily actually flip, I'm assuming that you come down and fill the rest of this range on the left here and actually break the low. But the fact that you have no top wick just yet, so be aware that any given time this thing can just still coming all the way up 23.43 to create a top wick to grab liquidity before you drive down, right? And that is could be this level right here, 23.41, before you actually got liquidity to drive down. Now, before you see where is the liquidity before you drive up, right here at this level, and that is a wick fill on the daily. And we have 5 minutes left on a 1 hour candle, so let me without further ado, let me just mark it out real quick before we drop down further. So 1 hour. Okay, interesting. And I'm unable to close above this level right here. Interesting. Support, you close below here, right? I'm assuming that every time you close below, you actually make your way down. Like looking left, you close below, you made your way down. You have a support right here as well. So if you actually close below here, we could take advantage of the fact that the wick fill coming down towards this level onto our left right here, minimum. So bear in mind that that is the level of resistance right there. So we could actually take advantage of the wick fill coming down after create a top wick though. So the 1 hour candle closure is going to close below, right? So I'm assuming that once you create a top wick, you should be able to come down and follow the rest of the range here. So let me see. You have a minor support right here, so be very, very mindful. 1 to 1 hour candle break the low down there, because I'm assuming that once you break the low down there, it's the weekly flip, and once a weekly flip, I'm assuming you are going to slow coming down for the wick fill of the daily. So we just wait here. As long as the 1 hour candle closed below 23.20, we could to go down towards the wick fill minimum. Right, let's see how the 1 hour candle open up here. Wow, they broke the low. Okay. So the wick fill is 14 pips, not bad. I need a top wick though, like a small top wick, and I'll probably take the flip on a 1 hour candle. Right, let's see how you open up here. How did the 15 actually candle close? I will have one position sell here at the flip of the 1 hour, and if you actually come up and create a top wick on a 1 hour, then we have another position. But I'm assuming that you should be able to come down and for the rest of the range here on a 1 hour candle here. So we wait and see, okay? But I have a sell right now at the flip of the 1 hour candle. Assuming that you are going to come down towards that 2018 minimum. Break even will be right at the break of the low on a 1 hour, right? I'm assuming that is the break of the low on a daily. Because overall, you have this range you fill. You close below this level now. I'm assuming you are going to be able to fill the rest of this range right here on the daily if you are coming down. However, you know got a top wick on the previous daily, so bear in mind that once the daily candle come down and fill the wick, there's a chance that you could come up for a top wick before you do anything. So now, have you broke the low? so you guys can see that I'm in position right now. So once you broke the low, that is risk-free trade. But bear in mind that the 1 hour no got top wick though, so just be aware of that. Now if this 5 minutes close below, then there's a chance that the next 5 come up for a top wick, and then push down. So if this 5 candle close below here, I'll probably have another position, okay? Because now the daily reflip again, I'm assuming you are going to come down and break the low. And once it re-break the low on a daily, I'm assuming you should be able to come down for the wick. So that's a re-break the low. Now I'm going to do here, I'm going to have another sell here. Assuming that if you come down and break the low, you're just going to come down for the rest of the wick. Now if this 5 candle close with no bottom wick, I will have Alexa stop. Sorry about that. Now if this 5 actually come down and re-break the low, and we'll be in good shape. Okay, so both positions are in profit, okay? You know what I'm going to do here? Goes my trade here. Because I'm assuming that there is a minor resistance right here onto our left. That's a re-break the low on a daily. I'm assuming you will have range to come down to fill the rest of the wick on the daily. So massive W, man. Yeah, you have a lot of play, because you have 2316 is your next level, and then you have a minor support resistance right here. $20.16, but I'm assuming that there is a minor support right here. So if you do push down, then great. But we got 53 is what? 26 pips altogether. Not bad, right? Yeah, there is a minor support resistance right here, so you want to be careful with that. But overall, you should be able to tap towards you should be able to tap towards 2016 before you do anything. But I think my job here is done, chat. I don't think I'm looking for anything now. I think I'm just gonna chill. Because the 1 hour is like has no top wick, right? So that any given time this thing can just still fly out for I know. To create a top wick, because there's no top wick on a 1 hour, which makes it real rough. Doesn't mean that it won't drive down, it just means that there's a possibility of you coming up to create a top wick. So the daily flip now. Very interesting. I'm assuming on the regular low of the daily, you just continue to just fly down towards a wick fill. If this is a daily fake out, man oh man, you're gonna see it come all the way down here actually for the rest of the range. And that is a range on the daily, and that is also the low high on the weekly, and that is coming back down on the monthly. So the daily is very important here. Bear in mind that this has no top wick, so even for you to come down, I'm assuming you're going to have to break this high to grab liquidity to create a top wick, which look left in this area right here. So there's a chance that you couldn't do that. But overall, if you come down here, I'm assuming you're coming down for a wick fill. $15 close, but there is no top wick here. Cool. Well. Yeah, chat, I don't think I'm gonna look at anything because the 1 hour no top wick here. There's a chance that this hang can just continue to drive up before it come down. Like no top wick on a 1 hour. $30 could still flip, by the way. And that is still a possibility. If the 30 minutes flip, then that also means that the 1 hour will flip. But yeah, chat, I don't think I will look for anything for now. That's a 15 flip. Interesting. Like, look, you have a minor support resistance right here. Just need to be aware of that, those kind of level. And when you go up like this, low high, low low, high low, high high, high low, high high, pushing up, just need to be aware that there's structure being printed on the way up. So if there's structure printed on the way up, there's minor level as you come up, so just be aware of that. This 1 hour no bottom wick. Oh shit. Where is the agent session actually? So right here. One hour. One push, 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 push. Right down, co-respecting. Then footmits co-respecting. Okay, cool. Put a bullish candle. Coming down for a bottom wick here. Boom. So we're gonna 30 minutes. That's a bottom wick coming up, and you come back down. Okay, and then once the Forex candle closes for the rest of the range. Nice, not bad. 24 pips for in the range, not too shabby. Yeah, one of them kind of close bullish, but you close bullish what? Close bullish above the range, so it's a little bit tough. Yeah, you go above bearish, respecting this level right here. So when you come back down here, yeah, you look for a wick fill coming up. Towards the east level, one to the left right here. Yeah, especially especially at 2 o'clock you close bullish, right? Still looking at the 4 hours still. For the rest of the wick on the 4 hours. So yeah. Yeah, I'll probably likely to be entering off this right here, and then have stop loss around here. Understand that. Where's this level on the 4 hour? Because the 4 hours still to flip, right? Once a 4 hour flipped, that is 10 pips, and the wick fill is 24. The 4 hour flip right here. Yeah, so once the 4 hour flipped, assuming that you are going to go on for the rest of the range first, and then break the high. Once you break the high, that's your liquidity to come down. Yeah, it's very much based off the 4 hours actually, if you were trading Asian. So the 5 minutes candle coming in 5 minutes here while you flip. But that's it for the day chat. 26 pips. W session. That's it, man. I have nothing else. The 4 hours no bottom wick here. Interesting. So before you even should come down, you need to break the low first. close bullish right at support here. On next candle, I'm assuming you should be able to fly out. Not bad. Especially like if you wait for the, that's 2, right? It's 2 o'clock as well. Yeah, come down. 2, come down for massive bottom wick, and then go respecting. Yeah, I think what I would do is like, where are the 4 hours? Flip. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Wait for it. When the 4 hour kind of flip, that's your break even, because you have no top wick. You open up no bottom wick here, no top wick here. You're coming down for a huge liquidity grab and then drive up. So yeah, on the bullish closure on the 15 right as a support here, that is our entry, and on the flip of the 4 hours, that'll guarantee you 20 pips. So yeah, not bad. Yeah, that's very much on the 4 hours here. Not bad at all. Oh. I'm assuming your next level will be right here. Now if you close below here, yeah, the next level will be right around this level right here. This is a level support line right here. Once you close below that, then you're good to go to come down for the rest of the wick. But the question is whether this is the wick, the daily high. That is a question, and that question should be answered probably in the next episode. Candle closure right below this level right here. Cool. No top wick still. Yeah, this fly good. Let's just fly down. We break the low here. But the 15, look at the 15. It has no bottom wick, so it's very rough. still closing respecting these level right here. But all you gotta do is just look left. Yep, 5 minutes still no about top bit. This below and you just go in. Not bad at push though. Do a 3 pips moves in a 5 minutes candle. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. If you guys continue to trade, make sure you trade with stop loss, make sure you follow your plan, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Alright, peace out.